So how do you suggest working in a way that keeps things simple, but user field types that an agent can access to automate through flows? It seems that bots can't access the fields if you put them into forms. So yeah, that is one really good point. So when you're creating any kind of forms in Jira, it's really hard to reference those form fields within automations and within other smart values within Jira. So the trick with the forms is to utilize a smart or a Jira link custom field link. So essentially what I would do is go to the custom fields, create a custom field first, and then when I go to the form and I build out the form, I create the fields for the forms themselves, and then I link the form fields to the Jira custom fields. So that allows us to, when the form is submitted, fill out that custom field, run any automations we want on that custom field, use them as smart values, which is something we do pretty often and something I recommend with pretty much any forms that are created that anytime in the future might be used for any kind of automations.
Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.